Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, today we have been down, not out. We can see some decent buying opportunities which I'm going to present to you today, and these opportunities could be opportunities that could land you a pretty decent trade if you will find that interesting, because we got a whole host of coins to go through. Then strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmet, so let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So why don't we jump straight into AIRDROP, because we are currently sitting slightly above $4 million market cap, and it looks like we could be dipping a little bit more. If you're watching my last video, I did say that if you fall anywhere between these lines, I'll be looking to get a lot more of these bags, because I can see we should be pumping our way from these levels. Because in my last video we did say that if we make a decision up or to the downside, then we can seriously capitalize on these moves, and the further down that we go, the more I accumulate, then the more profit I could be in the near future. I don't care too much about the short-term action, because whenever I see a pullback, I'm looking to go in ham, because at the end of the day, once we do see a massive bull run coming in, I'll be even more than mega profit. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, so you can perhaps follow me or get an idea or inspirations for the things I do, so you can fine-tune your way on how to navigate your way through the meme space. Either way, guys, I reckon with AIRDROP, if we get in now, for instance, we should be able to at least pump away back up from here. That's one. Secondly, the market cap is right now really low. 10x from here, the market cap will only need to reach 41 million. 100x, the market cap will need to get to $410 million. And then finally, I reckon 1000x, it will put the market cap at $4.1 billion market cap. So let's move on to the next one, and that is going to be Cheers token on Solana. I strongly reckon that we can quite easily get over 20x for the Capital Cheers token. Can we get much higher? I reckon so, because in order for us to get back towards the all-time highs, that's roughly around about 27x if you factor in the wick. Otherwise, can we go higher? Yes, I reckon we certainly can. How much higher can we go? I reckon with Cheers token on a Solana network, our highest reach could be between 50 to 100. I would say maybe 100x, only until I see there are more marketing push for Cheers token, as well as being listed on centralized exchanges. Then we could see possibly higher than 100x. Until then, I'm not so convinced that we can go any more higher than 100x. In fact, I would say up to 100x. Let's see how the market play out during the bull season, and then we could just take it from there. But remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Where you can, take profits so you don't lose out on your profits. But most importantly, if you are in it for the long haul, then you want to hold on to see how much more you can get. Either way, guys, I'm going to leave it there for Cheers token. Max, I'll stay up to 100x. Let's quickly leave this project and get to the next one, and that is going to be Side Eye and Chloe. Side Eye and Chloe is currently at $100,000 market cap. We have dropped considerably from where we were right up here. I'm not overly surprised, because we've in fact gone into discovery phase. Instead of holding this level and continuing away to the upside, we then pulled our way back all the way back down from where we made that original move to the upside, and then we dropped some more. At the end of the day, even without the listing on major centralized exchanges, we are still seeing pretty decent action like this without being on the centralized exchanges, which gives me the confidence and the hope that we can at least see anywhere between 50 to 100x on Side Eye and Chloe. Until we see more listings and more pump coming in for Chloe, then potentially I could see maybe more than 100x. I would also give Chloe up to 100x. So if you're going to take a look at the market cap, we're currently sitting out just above $100,000 market cap. 10x from here, 1 million market cap, and then 100x away from here, it will put the market cap at $10 million market cap. I think that's extremely doable, that we can reach that $10 million market cap. Can we go much higher? we possibly can, but I would like to see at least more marketing push for Solana and Chloe in order for me to believe that we can get higher than 100x. Let's quickly move on to the next one, and that is going to be Tomcat. Tomcat, we saw a move to the upside, breaking above from the bull flag, and now we've seen a retracement. This is pretty decent entry, and since we moved to the upside after breaking above from this trend line right up here, it only made sense that we were gonna at least retrace back into this level before we continue away to the upside. However, we saw this long ass wick right over here potentially could mean that we could see maybe a little more pullback into the zone right over here. And if we do, guys, then you know what? I'm going to be adding a lot more to my bags, because ultimately we can see a move doing something like this. It's perfectly normal and healthy for this to happen. Reason why, because after you see a bull flag and we do see that initial break to the upside, we should be expecting a pullback before we continue our way to the upside. This is completely healthy. Alright, let's take a look at the market cap. It's at $11.17 million market cap. 10x away from here, it will put the market cap at $111 million market cap. 100x, it will put the market cap at $1.1 billion market cap. Guys, you let me know in the comment whether you reckon that we can see 100x for Tomcat. I do, for a couple of reasons. Fastest growing blockchain, which happens to be Ton Network, and the meme coins in there, especially with Tomcat, has been exploding like hell, and I reckon we have seen nothing yet coming out from Tomcat. Now let us move on to the next one, and that is gonna be LFGO. I haven't done an LFGO video for the longest, so I thought I might as well just do one today because I do see some wonderful opportunities. Firstly, the market cap is sitting at $3.07 million market cap, and as we can see from the overall or the broad perspective of the chart, it's still looking pretty healthy. If we do fall below this red support line right over here, which is now turned resistance, the next support line should be this green line right over here. This could be the case where we might fall down a little bit more lower, and if we do, I reckon that this green support line could be the lowest low before we bounce away to the upside. Depending how we react in this zone, guys, anything can happen. But either way, I reckon that we should be able to see at least roughly around about 3 billion or more for this project, because it has all that meme fact about itself, and it's still a pretty decent project. Anyway, so what do I reckon for LFGO? I reckon, firstly, in order for us to get back up towards the last all-time highs, we would need to achieve, let's say, nearly 7x, let's say 7x from the current price to the all-time highs. And if we then take a look at the market cap, it's just above $3 million market cap. 10x away from here, the market cap would need to reach 30 million. 100x away from here, the market cap will need to reach $307 million, which I reckon it will do with ease. I reckon this could be a 1000x play, which should put the market cap at $3.0 billion market cap. You let me know in the comments whether you reckon that we could expect 1000x for LFGO. And let's move on to the next one, and that is gonna be Pickle. Guys, Pickle is at $1.14 million market cap. This is the ideal retracement that I've been waiting for. Whenever we pull back from the move to the upside, I love adding more to my bags, because ultimately that will lead to more gains in the near future. And if you take a look at the chart from an overall perspective, guys, it's looking extremely bullish. I love it. One, we retested and gone above the last all-time high momentarily before we got pulled back down. We only got pulled back down because the BTC was crashing down, hence why we see this engulfing red candle. We could see a little bit more further move to the downside, and if we do, it'll be roughly around about down here before we continue our way to the upside. Guys, this could be a mega alert, especially for Pickle, because I reckon we can definitely do 1000x from the current market cap. Because 10x away from here, the market cap would only need to get to $11 million. 100x, the market cap would need to get to 113 million, and then 1000x, $1.1 billion market cap. Come on, guys, do not sleep on that. Next up, it's going to be Wojak. Wojak current market cap is at $135,000. Guys, we've fallen from grace. Now, maneki, but we had fallen quite hard on this massive move to the upside. However, I am not scared here at all, because this is maybe possibly your last chance to get in before we completely move to the upside. The reason why I have that belief we can go back up to the last all-time highs is because we essentially made this move like this before going back up to try to retest the last all-time highs. Secondly, I reckon volume will kick in. Thirdly, is well respected and well renowned meme coin, and on a Solana is extremely cheap. Just look at the market cap, freaking tiny. I reckon once we do see more volume being kicked in over here, then we could see a more influx of people coming in and try to buy a lot of Wojak at extremely cheap price. So what's my prediction for Wojak? It's quite simple, guys. Because the market cap is even more lower, if you take a look at the chart, it's set up beautifully for a rebound back to the upside and breaking into the all-time highs into the discovery phase. So I have every confidence that we can easily see 10x away from here, which will put the market cap at $1.3 million market cap, 100x at 13 mil. Guys, can you imagine? In order for us to see 100x, Wojak would only need to get to $13 million market cap. That would definitely, I reckon that will happen. That's more or less guaranteed it's going to happen. However, I'm going to literally stretch my limbs out to say that I reckon we could in fact see $1.3 billion market cap. So that could be a 1000x. That 1000x could turn potentially, if you like to invest with $100 into $1 million. So guys, tell me, what do you reckon? Do you reckon that we're going to see a 1000x coming in for Wojak? Anyway, that's the end of the show. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already and you're new, what you're waiting for? Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be updated with all my latest contents and videos. And subscribe to my channel right up here. Hit the bell notification, scroll down, check out my last few videos, and I will see you all in the next one.